So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we have to print the largest string among the given set of strings. The technique that used to print the largest string is lexicographic technique. Lexicographically technique. Okay, so in this we check the first letter of string. So suppose A here, and the second string first letter is B. So this will gets compared. A is the first letter in the string and B is the second letter in the string. So second letter is greater than the first letter. The apple has lower priority than the banana string. So let's take another string if the letters are same. So let's take A, C, D, E, and second letters are A, C, D, F. These letters are common to this string letters. So we ignore that common strings and compare to E and F. So E comes first and F comes after E. So that's why this string gets the higher priority than this string because E is less than F. So that's why this first is less priority and second has higher priority. So here we have given the set of fruits, and from that fruit we have to find the largest string through the lexicographically method. In lexicography method we have to compare two strings. So let's say A and B as we have discussed. So B comes after the A. So B will have higher priority than the A. That means banana will be the largest string or the higher priority than the apple. So to compare two strings, so we will use the method of the string called as the compare to method. So here we have to write string 1 dot compare to, and in bracket we have to give the string 2 here. If the output is equal to 0, then strings are equal, and if it is less than 0, then it will be negative. So that will be string 1 is less than string 2, and if the string is greater than 0, then the output is positive, and here the string 1 is greater than string 2. So this way you have to compare the strings, and the method we will use here to arrange the order, that will be lexicographically order. Okay, so let's see the demonstration. So I've created a class called demo, and in that I've created a main method. We will create an array, and in that array we will store the set of fruits. So I have created an array in that I have stored apple, banana and mango. So we will create an string largest, and in that we will initialize the first string of the array will be largest. So we have assumed that the first string is largest. So it is the assumption. Okay. So we will run a loop for int I is equal to 1 and I should less than fruit of length, and I gets updated here. So in this we will compare the two strings. So if largest dot compare to, and in bracket we will give this another string that will be fruits of I, and if it is less than 0, means the largest will be less than the fruit of I. So we have to update the largest string. So largest string will be fruit of. So just we have update the largest variable to the fruit of I. After that, we have to simply print the largest. String dot out dot print. So we have to give here the variable as largest. Okay. So first we have created an array of set of strings, and we have created a variable largest, and its type is string, and we have initialized the first element of the array to the largest variable. Then we have run a loop here, and here we have compared largest variable and the fruit of I. That means the array of I. So if its value is less than 0, that means the largest variable is less than the array of I. So we have to update the largest variable then. So here we have updated the largest variable as the array of I. That means the fruit of. And then simply we have print the largest variable. So let's see the output of the code. So as you can see, the output is mango. Okay, the largest fruit of lexicographically is mango. So it is correct. First it will compare with apple and banana. So lexicographically, banana is greater than the apple, and then it will compare banana with the mango, and lexicographically mango is greater than the banana, so that's why we have get the output as mango. Thank you for watching this video.